Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another Techie Toys video, and in today's video we're going to find out if the IMEI number of a T-Mobile S7 can actually be repaired. Stay tuned for that right here next. Okay guys, this is another proof video. This is going to be an IMEI of an S7, a T-Mobile S7, and this is going to be a proof video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what the status of this phone is right now. So we're going to go ahead and hit that, and then we're going to go ahead and type in the CAPTCHA, whatever the heck this is. And of course, it's always wrong the first time. I'm not sure what that's about. Oh, no, it wasn't. So there you go. You can read how it. Warning, our records show that this device has been reported stolen. So that's the status currently. And if we were to go over to check IMEI, check ESN.com, it would just probably say it's bad. Going to check free ESN. We're going to go here. We're going to select the, so I have to find a mouse. We're going to select the T-Mobile. And there's the IMEI of the S7. And as you can see, is blocked. So there's the IMEI number right there. And as you can see, it is definitely blocked. So I'm going to come back in a matter of probably 2 seconds to show you that it is clean now. The other thing that I need to mention before I cut to the proof is we need to go over here to the time and the date. So it is 6:23 p.m. and it is 5/23/2016. So remember that it's 6:24 p.m. and the date is 5/23/2016. So when we come back, this date will be the same, hopefully, and the time, of course, will be different. So I'll be back in a couple of seconds. You guys stay tuned. Okay, and we're back. So what we were doing is I was showing you guys the S7 T-Mobile IMEI repair. So everything is complete, and it is actually the very next day. As you can see, it is 3:51 p.m. 5/24/2016. So this one took a little longer than expected, but it's still, as you'll see, it has been repaired. So there's the IMEI number right there. Let's go ahead and check and see how it comes back. Oh, gotta put in the CAPTCHA. Don't see one yet. So I'm just gonna click it anyways. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna type in 8CB. Looks like 85. And there it is. As you can see, congratulations, your device is ready for use. Select one of the SIM cards on the previous page to get started. So there it is, guys. And we can even go over to check ESN free. Let's go to check ESN free and put in the T-Mobile. And there it is once again. There is the IMEI. And like I said, this is for a T-Mobile S7. And it was reported stolen. Didn't even say lost, just said stolen. And I'm showing you guys right here, this is the real proof. And it says there's been I don't know what the heck's going on with their site. But I can assure you the customer is using their phone right now as we speak. Let's go back and try that one more time. I'm not even editing this video. We're going to go ahead and hit this again. Oh, there we go. As you can see, there's the IMEI, and down there it says not blocked. And as you can see, like I said before, the date is 5/24/2016, and the time is 3:54 p.m. So if you have questions about this, feel free to give us a call at 239-234-3040. Also check us out on the web at www.techytoys.com. That'll conclude this video. Until the next time, I'm out. Peace.